Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. So in today's vlog, I will be doing just a little hair care. So it's a little hair care day. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So today is my hair care day. I'm going to wash it and I'm going to add some extension to it. I have this Dark and Lovely cream that I used before, so I'm going to use the remaining cream to touch up the edges and in the middle because I will be doing a middle part. Okay, so let's touch up this here so I can have nice edges to work with when I'm done adding my extensions. So guys, sometimes it's very frustrating to get up every day putting on wigs. So that's why I decided to add some tracts to my hair. I have some bundles, so why not just put them in? I'm tired of getting up putting on wings, or when I'm not I'm tired of getting up putting on wigs, especially when I have errands to run and then I have to get up put on wigs because I don't like sleeping in wigs, so I take them off at night and then in the morning I put them on, and that's too much. This is the conditioner and shampoo that I have. They are for natural hair, but I have them from my hair was natural and I'm still using them. Normally I would use the Pantene or the Tresemme in my relaxed hair, but I have these from my hair was natural and I'm still using them. So when they are done, then I will go back to my hair routine. So these are the bundles that I'm going to track. Let me show you. And this is my favorite color here, ombre, highlight ombre. So my hair is sort of in the same color. So alright guys, let's start this tracking process. Alright guys, so that's basically how I'm going to track the hair. So I'm going to do it off camera and then I'll come back and show you guys the end result, because I don't want the video to be too long. So I'm going to pause it and do it off camera and BRB. So this is how it's looking. That's the front. So it has this natural look. Guys, so that's it for Vlogmas Day 6. Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you all tomorrow on Vlogmas Day 7. Bye.